going on, everyone? It's NyesWorld here. Today we're going to be doing another video, and this video I'm going to show you the exact way I found a winning product and how I turned a £1,000 product into £20,000 in a matter of 6 months. Again, anyone can do this. You just have to be focused, have the right mindset, and get ready to get stuck in, honestly. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to show you the software I use to find this winning product, show you how to really search for the best products, and then along with how to just become a superstar within Amazon FBA. With all information of what I'm showing you, it will be in the link below. Again, because a lot of these things are essential for when you do Amazon FBA. So let's start. As you can see on my actual screen right now is a thing called 𝗛𝗘𝗟𝗜𝗨𝗠. Okay, so this thing 𝗛𝗘𝗟𝗜𝗨𝗠, it's an actual software what will show you all information on all products you're searching for. Absolutely anything. You can be searching for the most simplest things. It will tell you about the trends, it will tell you about the profit margins, it will tell you about how well it's been doing over the last 90 days to a year, to a few years, to a few months, whatever you're looking for. But this software is essential. Never ever choose a product on personal opinion. If you ever do that, I'm sorry, you're not going to do good. You need to have real data which is backing up what you're looking to choose. So firstly, you want to go onto Black Box. From Black Box, go for categories. From categories, I would always say definitely go for garden equipment. Very important. That's definitely my forte. I love it so much. So I would try kitchen, and I would go for pet supplies, and then sports and outdoors, and then lastly stationery. Stationery is very good. Now we're going to move on to the revenue. So minimum I would say is 4,000. Don't really ever do small figures, otherwise it's pointless. The next thing I would go for, the maximum, make sure you set it at 50,000. Okay, pricing I would go for 14, and then I would say the maximum is definitely of 80. Okay, so the reason for why I'm setting this number now is just to make sure that we get a good result. So once that's completed, you just have to add a few shipping information here. So please make sure you make FBA and FBM the main things you click on. Okay, so let's search this now and see what comes up. Okay, here we have a few products what have come up. These products look good, I would say. The reason why they look good is always depending on the numbers. So right here we've got a few good niche products what would go quite well. So let's see. Looking at these items now, what I would definitely say, a lot of these items are saturated. Okay, again you can see that once you go deeper and you actually select the product you want. But when you see products are saturated, that's an instant red flag. That just means don't bother. Because again, you're going to be going up against too many sellers, and it's just going to be like going up a hill in slippers. And I don't want to be going up in a hill in no slippers. I want to be on a motorbike going up there. So keep away from that most definitely. I would say this one catches my eye. It is the paper bags with handles. It's a very simple product, I know. But let's take a look at this. Let's get more information. Okay. Let's see the stats of this product. Okay. So here it is on Amazon showing now. It's showing the paper bag. Quite simple, nothing too complex. So obviously real straightforward. What you have to do now, jump over to the Cerebro system and see the sales rank. 489 for sales, 250 pieces. Okay, that's rather good. What I'm actually clicking on right here is obviously showing you the actual trend of this actual product, because when you see the actual trend of the product, it will let you know if it's stable or if it's just not doing that great. But as you can see here by this actual graph, it's showing that it's a pretty stable product. Again, it's really shot up, meaning there's a lot of sales for this, so that's the good thing. Again, on March the 28th, it says it had 28 units. So an average a day for this product, you're looking at around, I would definitely say 15 to 30 units a day. So that's the good thing about it. As you can see here, the selling price is around £14 and the revenue is £20,000 on paper bags. I repeat, £20,000 on paper bags. This is what Amazon can really bring to you. Amazing results and a lot of money. So let's continue going into this now. With this item, I would definitely say it's a very good item to go forwards. So let's highlight the review count. That's always essential. look at it. Pictures look quite good, pretty stable, very simple. This looks very good. Okay, so let's select this and save this in our section. So with this actual product now, people, again, to find a product is very simple. It's not hard. But again, just like I said before, you just need to have data showing you what is right. And again, with this product I'm actually showing you now, this is a product I used to sell. When I told people I sold paper bags when I first started, they laughed at me. They said, "Nye, how are you only selling paper bags? It's stupid." And the reason why I sold it, not due to personal opinion, was due to data. When they started seeing the amount of money I was making and how I invested £1,000 in paper bags and I came up with 20,000, it was immense. What you're going to see here is a few pop-ups of the pictures of all the inventory I had, and it is a lot, okay? But again, with these things, it's very simple to find these products. But again, to find these products, you need the essential things, and the essential thing is helium-10, okay? If you don't have helium-10, you're gonna struggle. You're not gonna really know what you're doing. But with helium-10, like I said, it tells you all the trends and everything you need to know to make sure you get the best product. But again, what I've done for you guys now, because I'm nice like that, I will be providing you with a unique discount code, okay? It'll be in the description below. You'll get 50% off in your first month. Then after that, you'll get 10% off for the remaining of the months. Again, with this is what you really need. You have to have helium-10, okay? So in the link below, you will see my course where I teach all this in great deep depth, showing you the figures, the profit, because what we want to teach people is how to run a profitable business. We don't want you to have a business, we want you to have a profitable business. If it's not profitable, stay in McDonald's, flip burgers. That's what you should do. I'll repeat that, stay in damn McDonald's and flip damn burgers. All right? If you're not ready for something like this to make real money in Amazon FBA, stay in your house, okay? But if you are ready, and you need to be ready, okay? I'm telling you that now, you need to be ready. You need to go inside that description, make sure you use my discount code, and also make sure you enroll into this course to learn everything. With this, you'll be getting complete mentorship as well. You won't be left alone. Once you're enrolled, once you complete the course, we will help you every direction. Any questions you have, you don't know what to do, we will help you, okay? So you never ever think you're by yourself. We make sure everyone succeeds with this because that is our main task, to make sure everyone succeeds. If you don't succeed, we don't feel very great. So like I said, in the description below, make sure you look at everything, make sure you click on all the links so you can get what you need and you are fully equipped. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and make sure you share this video, okay? This video needs to go everywhere so everyone can see how simple it is to find a product and how quick it is to get started. Okay, you can start with the most smallest amount of money, £20, £30, £40. That's not true, you can't start with that. I would say a minimum £500, definitely. But don't be shocked if you turn that 500 to 10,000 in a matter of months, okay? But like I said, guys, thank you very much for watching. Again, I'll be coming with newer videos teaching you in more deeper depth about other things. But for today, that's what helium-10 does, and that's what you need if you want to sell on Amazon, okay? But thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe. Yeah.